I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have permissions and a recorder chosen, so start by configuring format and storage. Select MP3 or WAV and 44. 1K HC for clear audio, then pick internal storage or SD. Position the phone where voice is loudest and set microphone sensitivity in the app. Lower it if clipping occurs. Once done, tap record and speak for 5 to 10 seconds as a test. Play that test immediately to confirm levels and background noise. Adjust sensitivity or location before proceeding to the full session. Once your test sounds good, refine advanced settings to capture consistent audio. Enable noise suppression or wind reduction to minimize hiss and rumble. Make sure it doesn't overprocess speech. Adjust gain. Use lower gain for close mic work and higher for distance, watching meters to avoid clipping above 0 dB. Set a file naming template like year, month, day, subject so files stay organized, and enable automatic backups or cloud sync to prevent loss. Finally, try pause/resume to handle breaks without starting new files. When you finish, stop recording and export the file to your chosen folder or cloud. Trim leading and trailing silence, normalize levels for consistent volume, and add metadata tags so you can search later. Make a copy and move original to an archive folder to avoid accidental edits. If something goes wrong, first confirm microphone permissions and that the mic isn't obstructed. Try toggling noise cancel settings or plugging in an external mic. If problems persist, restart the phone and test again before re-recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.